Good morning, guys. This is Love Lucy channel. Welcome back. Merry Christmas to everyone, to everybody. Enjoy your Christmas and happy holidays. So today, I'm gonna cook one dish beef stew, Christmas Eve. And I was invited to join their Christmas Eve, and maybe I'm gonna bring some of this beef stew as potluck. So I'm alone here, so I'm gonna join my friend if the weather is good, because a while ago it's like foggy, but now it's a little brighter, and I hope it will be nice weather too. So we will have our ingredients. So we have our beef. We have the carrots and celery, and I have the red bell peppers and green peppers, and tomato sauce and potatoes. So we have onions and garlic. I already start here the onions and garlic. I put some bay leaf, salt and pepper. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna brown our beef, and then we saute it with garlic, tomato sauce, and onions. We will brown this first, and then we will cook this in a slow cooker for 6 hours slow cooking or 4 hours fast cooking. So we will use a slow cooker in cooking this beef stew. They said it tastes good when you brown first the beef or any chicken or pork before putting in the slow cooker with the other ingredients. So ayan, dito tayo mag-cooking. I don't use the oven because I think there's something wrong with our oven, so I'm using a small, this one, electric cook stove. I don't like to use the oven. I'm worried if there is something wrong in the oven. So we will put olive oil para ma-sear natin yung beef. We will sear the beef to make it a little brown. You know, guys, I'm thinking if I'm gonna join the Christmas parties and New Year, because California is one of the, how do you call that? There are many birds flu people in California, and I'm thinking if I'm gonna go to the party because there are many people in the party, and I'm worried na, you know, baka mahawa tayo ng mga, baka akong mahawa ng birds flu or any kind of flu. And I heard meron nga yung bagong COVID, so I'm thinking if I'm gonna go to parties and other gatherings. Actually, I did not go to church yesterday because it's very cold and I'm worried of the birds flu. Kailangan mag-ingat na tayo. We are senior, very old, and nakakatakot magkaroon ng birds flu pagka senior ka na. So I will think if I'm gonna go to attend parties. So ilagay na natin tong beef. Hindi pa siya mainit. Iba-brown natin. And then pag na-brown na siya, we will put it in the slow cooker. And we will wait for 6 hours up to 8 hours. I marinated this yesterday with salt, pepper, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, and a little soy sauce, a little salt. What else? Madilim ba? Kailangan natin buksan ko yung ilaw. Ayan. Okay. So, tomorrow, 24 here, I am not sure if I'm going to join my friends for the invitation, even in New Year, because I'm worried of the flu season kasi ngayon dito malamig. So, I have no vaccine. So, I should take care of myself. I have no vaccine. So, ayan. Isisir natin siya hanggang mag-brown. kayo din dyan, mag-ingat kayo dahil alam ko merong there's a new COVID today. New variant of COVID. So, I have no vaccine, so that's it. I just wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We pray that 2025 will be a happy and prosperous New Year and walang trouble, wag pong magkakagera at matapos na yung mga calamities. I always pray every night na magkakagera at yung mga calamities matapos na. Dito sa California may mga sunog-sunog pa rin. Marami din kalamidad ngayon dito sa may northern. Dito kami sa northern California. Laging may earthquake. So we are cooking beef stew. And we are searing the beef hanggang mag-brown. And then we will saute. I will use tomato sauce kasi wala akong tomatoes. Ang hina na itong kalan. So, ayan. Antayin natin siya mag-brown. So, let's see our beef. Tingnan natin kung brown na siya. Hindi pa siya brown. Ayan. Hindi pa siya brown pero malapit na. Okay. Alam you guys, if you're alone is, how do you call that? I'm lazy to cook. But because it's Christmas Eve and I was invited, so I was forced to cook. Pag ordinary days, para hindi ako luto ng luto, I just cook soup, chicken soup, beef soup, yung nilaga, and then I put a lot of vegetables. And that will be my food for maybe 3 days hanggang maubos. Ayoko ng luto, tinatamad ako. When you are alone, you don't like to cook and cook. So, I always said, nilagang chicken, nilagang beef, or tinola. And then I put any kind of vegetables. Broccoli, green beans. Minsan pag yung kamote tops, meron akong tanim na kamote tops and lagyan ko cabbage, potatoes, carrots, and nilalagyan natin. Bagal niyang mag-brown, hindi pa siya nag-brown. I hope this will be good. So, alisin na natin yung beef. Hindi siya masyado nag-brown pero natanggal na yung mga red at saka yung mga blood niya. Pwede na ito. Yeah, pwede na ito. Yeah, pwede na. Wala na siyang dugo-dugo. Brown, yung iba hindi. Ganun lang siya. Oh. Kasi baka ma-overcook naman kung matagal dito. So, ayan. At least, naalis na yung mga yung parang dugo-dugo tsaka yung mga taba-taba. Kunti lang ito, siguro mga more than 1 kilo o 1.5. So, ayan. So, tingnan nyo yung mga naalis na taba at saka yung mga parang madumi o natanggal na. So, ayoko nyan. So, we will continue to saute the garlic onions here. Sinute ko na siya kahapon. Para mas mabilis. Nilagyan ko ng bay leaf. May bay leaf ito. And very easy. Antayin mo na lang hanggang mamaya. Lagyan din natin siya ng star anise. First time kong maglagay ng star anise, tingnan natin kung masarap siya. Yung parang star yan. Sabi ng friend ko masarap daw, so tingnan natin kung masarap nga siya. Hindi pa. Ngayon lang ako gagamit nito. So, I'm sauteing the onion, garlic, bago natin ilagay dito sa slow cooker, and then pag kumulo na siya, after 1 hour, saka natin ilalagay yung mga patatas, carrots, at saka celery. Lalagay lang muna natin ngayon yung bango. Ang bango, guys. Madilim, ano? Gagamit tayo ng beef broth and tomato sauce. Kung marami kayong kamatis, yung fresh tomatoes, you can use fresh tomatoes. Pero ako, yan na lang. Konting beef broth. And then, dilim. Ilagay natin sa slow cooker. Ayan. And then, ilagay natin yung beef. And, bigyan pa natin. So, ayan, nasa slow cooker na siya. I think kulang pa yung sabaw. Nalagyan pa natin. Ayan, lalagyan natin ng tomato sauce. Ayan, mamaya na natin titimplahan kung dadagdagan pa o hindi. So, ayan. Mamaya na natin ilagay yung mga gulay pagka kumulo siya ng isang kulo. So the time now is, anong time na? 12 o'clock. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mga 6 o'clock luto na to. After 1 hour, dadagdag na natin yung mga patatas, yung mga other ingredients na vegetables. Dadagdag natin. So, i-on na natin itong slow cooker. Lagay natin sa high. So, ayan guys. Mamaya pag nilagay ko yung mga vegetables, balikan ko kayo. So guys, nilagay na natin yung carrots, potatoes, celery, and a little of the bell peppers na preserved. So, nilagay na natin siya. Haluin natin. So, we will taste. Tingnan natin kung tama yung kamatis, yung tomato sauce. I think kulang pa siya ng tomato sauce. We add more tomato sauce. So, nandyan na yung carrots, potato, celery. And we add tomato sauce. And later, dadagdag natin yung cheese. And green peppers and red peppers. Dagdag natin mamaya. And then now, we will put the anise. Ayan, anise. Star anise. Tingnan natin. So, we let it boil again. On high. So, I will be back to you later guys. Tingnan natin kung magluluto na mamaya. Okay. So guys, I'm back. I-check na natin yung ating beef stew. Tingnan natin. natin kung ano na nangyayari dito. Let's see if the potatoes are cooked and the carrots. Ito yung ano na. And the meat. So, let's taste it. I think we need a little soy sauce. Alisin na natin yung ano, yung star anise kasi lumasa na siya ng gusto. Ayoko na sobrang lasa. So, alisin na natin. Alisin din natin yung ibang bay leaf. Pangit naman kasi pagka sobra sa lasa. Hindi ko makita yung isang star anise. Star anise. Here. Pero ang bango niya, ang bango ng star anise. Alisin na natin. Dagdagan natin ng soy sauce. Matabang siya. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. And then, lagyan natin siya ng pepper. Lagyan natin ng white pepper. And to balance the salt, we will put a little sugar. Mga ano lang, 1 teaspoon. Para balance siya, maalat. Salty, sour from the tomato sauce, and a little sugar. Yan. And then we put a little cheese. Yung ano, cheddar cheese. Yan. Bigyan natin ng cheddar cheese. Ang bango ng star anise. So, ayan, haluin natin. Mga 1 hour pa to para ano. Sarap na siya. Parang kulang pa siya ng ano, ng alat. Let's add a little ano yung sa English? Fish sauce. Yung papasarap din ng fish sauce sa ano sa beef stew. Konti lang. 1 teaspoon. It smells good. But not yet cooked. Maybe 1 hour more. Para lumambot yung ano. Ay. Yung karne. I think pwede na. Yung karne malambot na ata. Yeah. Mga 1 hour pa. Yeah. Lalagay na rin natin. We will put also the red peppers and green peppers. Ayan. So guys, I'm back. Ito, luto na. Luto ng ating beef stew. Okay, luto na. Let's taste it kung it's already good. So guys, luto na to. I-plating na natin. Celery leaves. This is the beef stew. Ayan guys, ang beef stew natin. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. Enjoy. Gayahin nyo to. Very yummy. Yummy beef stew. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.